Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting tools in place. Install Windows Terminal now and enable Developer Mode. This lets you run Linux subsystems and elevated tools. Once Terminal is installed, add Git node, JS, and Python to path so commands work anywhere. Open Terminal, choose PowerShell, Command Prompt, or WSL profile and run Git version and node v to confirm. This immediate validation prevents later errors and ensures you can execute code, manage repos, and install packages without interruptions. Once tools are present, configure terminal profiles to match your workflow. Open Settings, add a WSL or custom CMD profile, set a clear starting directory, and pick a default shell. This saves time every session. Make sure copy on select and new tab behaviors are set, and install a prompt framework like OhMyPosh or ZSH for visual context. Git branch, exit codes, and virtualims appear at a glance. These choices reduce friction when switching projects and running build scripts. Now use terminal features. Split panes and tabs let you run server, editor, and tests simultaneously. Bind keys for common tasks. Create simple scripts or tasks. JSON to automate builds and linting so you don't repeat steps. If something breaks, make sure path entries are correct, the default profile points to the shell you expect, and rerun terminal as administrator to test permission issues. If a tool still fails, recheck install logs, then reinstall the specific runtime or package manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.